Hi, Payout Big Scratchers here. Today I have a $40 session. I have the Texas ticket, a $20 ticket called Cash Spectacular, and I have the Missouri $2 million Sizzling Riches. Let's do this Cash Spectacular first. And it's a match and win game. It has those multipliers, the 10 and 20 times multiplier. You find that stack of cash, you win the prize automatically. It has bonus spots. It has, if you find two matching symbols in the bonus spots, you win that bonus in the bonus spots. So let's start by scratching the winning numbers. $52, $22, $63, $68, $73, $77, $40, $35, $25. It's a dummy ticket. $77, $40, $35, $25, and $65. You have a 44. There's no 40s. Oh, there's one. There is a 40. It's just a 40. Okay, no teens. 57. You have 52. 34. And 14. No 34, no 14. 64, have 63 and 68 and 65. 74, have 77, 73. 38, no, we have 35. 59 and 75, have 77, 73. And no 59. 24, 28, have 22 and 25. 15, 43. No, yeah, just have that 40. 58. No 58. Nothing with it. Oh, we have a 68. So no. $31, $49, no. 32, $55, no. Just have 30, 35, and 52. 70, you just have the 40. 45, 1. 62, you have 65, 68, and 63. 21 and 53. We have 52, 25, 22. And this is the last row. 71, you have 77 and 73. 16, 63. We have a match on 63. Yes. 61 and 6. So we have that match on 63. Let's do the bonuses first. So we have to match two like symbols in the bonus in order to win this bonus. See if we can win 200. Me. That ain't gonna work. That's tearing the number off. See, I'm struggling with this. I can't even. Nope, that's not a match. That's not two matching colors. 500. No. And no. Okay. Let's go back down to the 63. That look like $50. $50. Gummy. So I won $50 on the Cash Spectacular. Alright. Now we're going to do the Sizzling Riches. And it's a match and win game. It has that fire or flame. You win. If you find it, you win double the prize. It has a $100 burst and hot wins all 25 prizes. Like I said, both tickets are on ticket 17. The odds on this Cash Spectacular ticket, the odds on this ticket was 1 in, what was it? Oh, there it is, 1 in 3.48. The odds on this ticket is 1 in 3.08. Let's scratch this ticket. Much easier ticket to scratch. 38, 39, 3, 21, 36, 2, 14, and 8. We have an 11, a 19, 12, 13, 26, 1, we have a 3, 2, and an 8. 32, we have 38, 39, 36. 23, we have 21. 10, no. 37, 38, 39, 36. 4, we have a 3, no 4. 33, no. 34, no. No 34. 28, no. 7, no. We have an 8. There's no bonuses on this ticket. 24, we have 21. 31, no. No 31. We have 21. 27, 5. We have 3, 2, and 8. 17, no 17. 30, we don't have anything with a 0 up here at the top. 16, we have that 14. 9, we have 8, 1 off that 8. 18, no. And the last one is 35. We have 38, 39, and 36. So this ticket is a dud. But we won $50 on the Missouri ticket. Cash Spectacular. Yay! Thank you for watching. Have a good evening. Bye.